Good morning, students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. So now I will discuss about trigonometry assignment number 10. The first question through that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Answer: in triangle ABC, right angle at B, in triangle ABC, right angle at B, here triangle ABC, right angle at B, angle A and C, here acute angle theta. The first one, sin square theta plus cos square theta, 1 means LHS what you will observe sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to, in triangle ABC, acute angle theta. So theta opposite means AB, here opposite side, BC is adjacent side, AC is hypotenuse. Now here sin theta opposite side by hypotenuse, AB by AC. Next one, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. BC is adjacent side, AC is hypotenuse. Now BC by AC. LHS sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to, we will prove it 1. Now here sin theta answer AB by AC whole square plus cos theta answer BC by AC whole square. So simplify AB whole square, AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. It's a both denominators are equal. Now LCM is AC square, numerators are adding AB square plus BC square. In triangle ABC is right angle at B. By using Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. By using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides means AB square plus BC square. Now here AB square plus BC square equal to, answer is AC square by AC square. So both are cancelled equal to 1. Therefore RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Here is the first question answer. Now I am going to second question. So that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equal to secant to the power of 4 theta minus secant square theta. So that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equal to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. So now here LHS tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta. And the both terms, what will be coming here? Common term, tan square theta is common term. So now common term tan square theta. So remaining here 1 plus tan to the power of 4 theta, already tan square will be common, remaining tan square theta. So tan square theta into You know identical laws of trigonometry ratios. Here 1 plus tan square theta identical of secant square theta. Since secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Here 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Secant square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now here tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. So now we'll substitute here secant square theta minus 1 into secant square theta. So now multiple here secant square theta into secant square theta secant to the power of 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta secant square theta. We observe RHS, it's getting RHS, therefore LHS equal to RHS. This is second question answer. The next one is third one. Third question, simplify simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Once again, third question, simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. So answer here 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cot square theta. A minus b into a plus b formula, a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square, 1 square minus cos square theta. Here 1 plus cot square theta. Since a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Here 1 square answer is 1 minus cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta. 1 plus cot square theta identical. So now here 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta, since cosecant square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. The next one is 1 minus cos square theta identical of sin square theta. Sin square theta into cosecant square theta, since sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Here sin square theta into reciprocal of cosecant square theta, 1 by sin square theta. Now 1 by sin square theta applied, sin square theta cancel. Here remaining answer is 1. So this is third question, answer is 1. Next fourth question. Fourth one. So that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Once again repeat, so that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. LHS cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant theta reciprocal 1 by sin theta. Cot theta reciprocal cos theta by sin theta. Now we will apply 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Here observe in denominators are equal, numerators are subtraction. Here 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Apply the exponential laws. A by b whole square, a square by b square. Now here 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. So next one minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta, identical formula 1 minus cos square theta. Here 1 minus cos square theta. Since sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Next one 1 minus cos theta whole square by, here 1 square I am writing 1 by cos square theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square by a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. Now 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. It's a both the numerator and denominator. You will observe here 1 minus cos theta square cancel. Remaining 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So therefore RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Here the fourth question answer. Next one, fifth one. Fifth question. Consider a triangle. PQR, right angle R, right angle R, in which PQ is equal to 29 units, QR is equal to 21 units, and angle PQR is equal to theta. Then find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. Once again, I will repeat the question. Consider a triangle PQR, right angle R, in which PQ is equal to 29 units, QR is equal to 21 units, and angle PQR is equal to theta. Then find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta minus sin square theta. Answer given. In triangle PQR, right angle at R. Here, right angle triangle, right angle at R. Angle PQR equal to theta means here Q, here P, here angle theta. Angle PQR is equal to theta. Next one, PQ is equal to 29 units. PQ Here PQ 29 units. Next one QR. QR is equal to 21 units. QR, here QR 21 units. So next what you will find? Here ER you will find by using the triangle ABC. So here PQR, the right angle triangle at R. By using Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. Here PR square equal to, by using Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. PQ square equal to 29 whole square. PR square answer is question mark. Here RQ answer 21 square. 29 is 841. So square root of 29 whole square here, 29 whole square. Here 841. PR square 21 are 441. So now it will be getting here 841 minus 441 is equal to PR square. So next answer will be getting 841 minus 441, answer is 400 is equal to PR square. So its will be square comes here, under root of 400 here. Square root of 400 is equal to 20. So PR is equal to 20 units. So here 20 units. So now first one cos theta square plus sin theta square. In the diagram here once again, here angle Q, P, R, here 29, here 21, it will be 20. PR is equal to 20. Now cos square theta. So what is the formula of cos square theta? Cos theta formula adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side 21 by 29 whole square plus sin theta formula opposite side by hypotenuse. Here 20 by 29 whole square. Simplification 21 whole square 441 by 841 plus 400 by 841. So now 841 by 841 is equal to answer is 1. You know everyone identical of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here answer is 1. Second bit answer cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cos theta answer is 21 by 29 whole square minus 20 by 29 whole square. So answer is 441 by 841, 400 by 841. Its LCM is getting 841, subtraction 41. 441 minus 441. So that is the answer of cos square theta minus sin square theta. Next one. So today assignment is completed. Thank you.